Attention, please.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land in the world, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping into this small boat just below us. And off in the distance, the majestic Matterhorn Mountains.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children.
What is the laughing stock?
Yep.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of the Mark 7 monorail.
I saw her.
This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail and us are the fun-filled roadways of the October. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Look, we get stuck. Let's go out. Where we get nothing. Tomorrowland. Here. Tomorrowland. Come is Tomorrowland. And then we can go like this.
There's no flash photography or video lighting.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
lovely little ride around Disneyland. There was no one around us. It was just us two. A couple of people at the end of the train, but it was very quiet, very relaxing. I actually kind of started to fall asleep a little bit. So I was like, oh no, I'm filming. So that was really nice. We stopped over at the store, and actually right now we're in Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. Shabam. And I thought I would kind of show you around a little bit, and then I got to show you what Ashley just bought, which is a really cool part of another collection that we have along with her ears. So we'll check that out. But first, let's check out Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. Okay, so that was a quick glimpse into the pre-show area of Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. So now I'm going to show you what Ashley bought. These are really, really cool. Okay, so the first one with all of our reflection is Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear from Splash Mountain Funko Pop. And it is the 30th anniversary of Splash Mountain. They are park exclusive. I'm not exactly sure. I think this was what, $40? 50?
Yes.
$50?
Yeah.
So $49.99. Here's a better shot. Okay, now you gotta show them the other one. And we had to get DJ Rex. That was a given. And I think this one was, what, 24?
Something like that.
I think it was 24. So those are what we got. So we're gonna go check out Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln, cool off a little bit. It's a little muggy out, so we just wanna kind of unwind. Then we're going to go eat over at, I think, Jolly Holiday. I'm feeling a sandwich, Ashley's feeling a salad. And then we're gonna start heading over to Galaxy's Edge and Oga's Cantina. So stay tuned for that, but we will definitely check in with you at Jolly Holiday to review our food and go over what's really good. And the sandwich I'm gonna get is one of my favorite things in the park. So really quickly, since Ashley has already begun diving in and eating her salad, she got the Jolly Holiday salad. It's just your kind of run-of-the-mill garden green salad with some, looks like roasted walnuts and a red wine kind of vinaigrette. I got a roast beef sandwich on a hoagie with some house-made chips. We got a Coke. We got a couple waters. It's just your normal kind of standard fare. Now that you've seen what we're gonna eat, I'll tell you guys about it after. We're really hungry and we're starting to get kind of on a time crunch here. We only have about 40 minutes or so before we have to be over in Star Wars Land. So we're gonna eat, we're gonna grub, and then I'll kind of describe how everything went, how everything tastes. So lunch was really good. My roast beef sandwich had almost like a vinaigrette aioli almost. It was a runnier, mayonnaise-based aioli. It was really good. With a little bit of mayo, a little bit of mustard. Just your kind of average roast beef sandwich. Nothing to write home about and nothing to complain about either. So it was good. Ashley's salad was also very good. The dressing, she said, was amazing. So highly recommend the Jolly Holiday salad. And yeah, she doesn't like fancy dressing. This one is a little more on the fancy side, but she did in fact like it. So again, Jolly Holiday salad, highly recommend. Roast beef sandwich if you're not looking for anything over the top. Definitely something to check out over at Jolly Holiday. Now we're headed over to Star Wars because it's just about time for our Oga's Cantina reservation. I'm curious to see how long it takes us to actually get in from when we check in. They said check in 15 minutes early. Let's see if it actually only takes 15 minutes.
Yeah.